Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your RAM to 3200 MHz. First, ensure your motherboard and CPU are compatible with this speed. You'll need to restart your computer and repeatedly press a specific key, usually delete, F2, F10, or F12, to enter your system's BIOS or UEFI settings. This step is crucial for accessing the necessary memory configuration options. Make sure you catch the prompt on screen during startup. Once inside the BIOS or UEFI, you'll need to find the memory settings. These are often located under an advanced or overclocking menu. Search for an option labeled XMP for Intel systems or DOC if you have an AMD platform. These profiles are designed to automatically set your RAM to its optimal speed, like 3200 MHz, with just one click. Select the profile that matches your RAM's advertised speed. After locating the XMP or DOC option, enable it. You might see a drop-down menu with different profiles. Select the profile that explicitly states 3200 MHz. It's important to ensure the chosen profile aligns with your RAM specifications for voltage and timings. This ensures stability and proper operation. If there are multiple 3200 MHz profiles, choose the one that best matches your memory kit. Finally, navigate to the exit menu within your BIOS or UEFI. Select the option to save changes and exit. Your computer will then restart, applying the new memory settings. Once back in Windows, you can verify the RAM speed by opening Task Manager, going to the Performance tab, and selecting Memory. You should see the speed listed as 3200 MHz. Enjoy your faster RAM.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.